Okay, people, right, to try and get by on a budget. Well, it's a bit of a lie really, because I don't have a budget. So here's what I brought from Temu, I don't know how you say that. 19. So we've got a 19mm bit there, and I've judged the depth to here. So it's just at the top of the spade, and these are going to be my pallet wood sash clamps. These are the stretchers off a pallet. So I'm going to drill a 19mm hole here, and then find a piece of dowel, then obviously over a foot from where I am. I'm going to drill holes 4 inches apart, because that's how long these are, or thereabouts. I'll show that for you. Okay, so obviously I can do, say, yeah, three inches apart, I think, and that'll be up to a foot. So the first foot will be nothing, because I've got clamps up there. That'll do a foot. So here goes then. I'll just get this set up, and I'll make a start. I've marked the centre of the wood, so I just make a line down the centre. Need one of those proper woodworking things that does this easily, but nope. See, this is a bit a low skill set, as it were, but you gotta use what you've got, haven't you? And I haven't got one of them, so, and I could do the old-fashioned way, which is there, but being rough wood, you run the risk of a splinter, but I'm living on the edge, as it were. There you go. There's the centre line drawn down. That's ready to drill. So to pause that and get that into position. Right then, first hole up. I've had to come in so far, so I'll just that square there. On we go with the power. Let's turn it on first. There we go. Right then. There we have it. So I'll just put that to the side there, and that's the one hole in. Is that still on the video? Oops. Oh, hang on. Let me pause this. Okay, there's the hole drilled at the end, as you just seen. Here's the dog clamp vice thing they are. That goes in there just as so, and you've got this little spanner that comes with them. I'll put the link in below. I'm slowly getting there with the modern age technical things, and that retracts it, and then you turn it round to tighten up. And all we've got to do now is sort out our holes. 3.5 inches, so we'll do the first one about a good foot away, I should imagine, because I don't need anything less than that, and then we'll do them every 3 inches, I think, all the way up to the entire length of the stretcher off the pallet wood, and then all we've got to do then is drop a big dowel in, which I'm going to use. I've got a broom handle over there, so I'm going to cut that up into 2 pieces and we'll use that. So I'll just get this set up and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so the next stage is just to clean that off there, and there we go with this. Still a bit low there, so I'll just do another couple of passes. I think one more pass. There's no point in having some clamps if it's high and low, because your work's going to be high and low. Yeah, that'll do it. I'll just work on the pins now. Okay, I'll just pause you. I've got no 19mm dowel, so I've had to improvise a bit, so just for demonstration purpose. I'll have to pause that a second. And there we have it, the pieces in there, and obviously your pegs go in like so, and you stick you stick your wood in that you're clamping. I've got a piece of wood that I'm clamping, but yeah, and that's you can see that's job in the town, do the job on it. Thanks for watching.